Hi, and thanks for tuning into Access Unlimited's YouTube channel. This is a detailed video showing you how to use the multi-lift personal transfer lift system to exit a vehicle from the passenger front into the wheelchair. This is only a detail video, so please make sure to check out other videos in the notes field down below to learn much more about this application and how it could work for you. First, what we're going to do is pull it down. We're going to disconnect the sling, remove the lift, remove the speedy bar, and hit the road. Please note that this is a detailed video, so you definitely will want to check out other videos in the notes field down below to learn a lot more about this application. So our next step here is remove the lift. We'll probably be storing that in the rear of the vehicle or somewhere else. Lift up on the speedy bar and remove. Access Unlimited is 100% dedicated